Hello. For this video, I will be showing how to create Start Here information in Canvas. The first thing you will do is click the Pages tab. Then click View All Pages. Click the blue Add Page button. Put Start Here for the page title. Include your Start Here information in the box. You can include any information you would like to give students about getting started in the course. This example, I included click the Getting Started page to get more information about how to get started in the course. The course purpose, click the Syllabus tab to view the course syllabus, and click the Modules tab to explore the course modules. Other things you can include are minimum technology skills, how to find course components, and many more things. Put your available from to until dates if needed. Click Save and Publish. Your Start Here information is now created. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.